Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. What we're doing today is we're replacing a sway bar bushing that lives up here on a 2002 Chevy 2500Hd. So up here, if you can see it, there is a split on the new one as with the old one. So we're going to make sure we put this one in the same exact way when we put it in. Not too much to this. 2 bolts, if they come right out with all the rust, we'll see. I already took the other side off, but we're going to take this one off, put this in, put it back up where it belongs. The reason I'm replacing them is because it's a 2000 truck. I plow snow with it and stuff, and I think it's just time to do it. So we're going to do that now. Not a whole lot to it, but I'll just show you how I do it. So you got the 2 bolts, take off the bracket. Just ran the bolt back and forth because with rust sometimes that helps so you don't break it. Now there's an inside one here. We'll take that off. May need a pry bar to get this off. Oh, nope, there it came off. So we'll take this off. We'll try and make sure we put this in the same exact way. But all I did was slid this off over this way. Took it off. Remember that your split here was in the front. We'll get the other one. Put the split in the front. Put it over. There it is. Put this old rusty thing back on the same way. Line these bolts up, which can be a bit of a pain. The rust in the eyes is a wonderful thing. We'll get that one started. Now I'm going to leave these loose because in another video I'm going to be replacing the sway bar bushing links. Since I have these loose, I'm going to leave them loose. But we'll see if we can get this where it's supposed to belong here. And we'll start tightening these. So, like I said, you want to tighten them up to factory specs. So there you have it. That's replacing a sway bar bushing on a 2002 Chevy 2500HD. Thanks for watching. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching.